In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions in Zoho Books, providing you with a full 2025 guide. Now, locking transactions is a crucial step in ensuring your financial data remains secure and unaltered before finalizing your accounts. Whether you're preparing for an audit or simply want to maintain clean records, this process can help solidify your accounting practices. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your financial records within Zoho. Once you're comfortable and familiar with the layout, direct your attention to the Accountant option on the panel. This is where all your detailed accounting settings and options are housed. After clicking Accountant, you'll need to select Transaction Locking. You might be wondering, why lock transactions? Locking them ensures that once your data is entered and confirmed, it cannot be accidentally or intentionally altered. This is particularly useful after financial reports have been completed, as it preserves the integrity of your data. Now, you're presented with different sections to lock: sales, purchases, and banking. Let's start with sales. Click on sales, and this will open a new window where you can select the specific transactions you want to lock in this category. Repeat this process in the purchases section by clicking on it. It's similar to locking sales transactions, ensuring that all purchase data is secured. The same goes for banking. Head over to the banking section and lock those transactions as well. Locking your banking records aids in achieving consistency between your recorded transactions and actual cash flows. Next, go back to the Accountant tab. It's an important step because we've got a few more steps to complete our task. In the Accountant tab, look for the Lock option. Clicking this will effectively lock in all your selected transactions. However, before you finalize, take a quick moment to highlight and review the transactions you've decided to lock. This step is crucial for ensuring that nothing is left out or mistakenly included. As you're reviewing, if there's a specific detail or set of transactions you want, you might also need to click on the number or the time frame relevant to your actions. In this case, say it's option 4 you're interested in. Clicking on this will display detailed information, allowing you to double check that everything aligns with your records. Finally, there's an optional field labeled reason. Adding a reason for why you're locking the transactions is helpful for future reference, especially during reviews or audits. Once you're satisfied, hit the lock button once more. By doing this, you're effectively safeguarding your transactions, ensuring they remain unchangeable unless explicitly unlocked in the future. And there you have it. That's how you lock transactions in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.